Here's another one of those questions that you will understand once you finish watching this video. Why do stairs squeak? And of course, this would be conventionally framed stairs using plywood or OSB, some type of materials, where you're going to have stringers and treads. And these treads, you can even have these stairs squeaking with 2x12 treads also. Let's go ahead and remove the walls. One of the problems you could have would be anytime the back of the tread rubs up against the face of a riser. And this could be the result of your stair stringers spaced too far apart. So instead of being 16 inches apart, maybe they're 20 inches apart or 24 inches. And instead of using a heavy-duty plywood or OSB, maybe they're using something that's 5/8 of an inch and it moves. I've actually seen 3/4 inch OSB move as I've walked up and down a set of stairs also. So it would move something like this. You know, it's probably not going to move in the center as much if it's tied up against the stringer, but you can see here where any movement back here, anything where it's tied up against it and it's rubbing is going to create a squeaking sound. Let's go ahead and take a look at it from the back here. Nice and flat. Someone steps on it, steps off of it, steps on it again, steps off, and that's where your squeaking sound is going to come from, or at least one of the sounds that you could end up with. This next problem is going to be the most common, and this would involve any type of nails where the tread is moving up and down and rubbing up against the nails. So if you have screws, this might not be as big of a problem, but nails could be as the lumber shrinks. And this is actually one of the biggest problems in a stairway. The lumber comes from the lumber yard and it still has a lot of moisture in it. And as it dries, it starts to shrink. And as it's shrinking, it will pull away from the riser and pull away from the tread. Now, if you have nails that might be ring shanks or drive screws, then you might not have this problem, but all it takes is one nail to pop up, and then you're going to have a problem. So here we can see where the OSB that we're using for our treads is nice and flat. Let's cut away to the center of the stairs, and this, of course, is the center stringer. We can get an idea how the nails are here, and of course this is what it would have looked like when it was installed new, and I say that, but it could actually have looked like this when it was installed new. I've seen stuff like this before, so hopefully this is what it looks like when it's new. This is after it has shrank, and you can see here where the OSB or the tread is kind of still in its regular position, and this can happen except for when you step on it. This is what's going to happen. So this would be the position it would just pop right back up to. And I'm not saying it's going to do that all the time, but all you need is a little bit of movement for a squeak. So even if this just pops up a 1/16 of an inch and you have it rubbing on the nail, let's go ahead and take a look. You're going to have a hole where the nail is, but it's not like you're pre-drilling the hole. You're going to have a hole where you drove the nail into. And if you're using plywood or OSB, this is manufactured lumber that's probably not going to shrink. Conventional lumber, 2x12s, Douglas fir, pine can shrink. And of course, this is what you're going to end up with. The nail will be pulled up, and you're probably not going to be able to see this if you have carpet padding. If you have wood flooring, then this might be different because the wood floor is actually going to push the nail down, and then the plywood is going to pull it back up. So it's going to still be rubbing on the nail. And of course, that is where the squeak is going to be, just right there. It's going to be rubbing up against the nail. The front probably isn't going to move because, again, the riser, if it's made out of plywood or OSB, it's not going to shrink like the stringer. So I hope this makes sense. This is actually the biggest problem why most stairs squeak, because the lumber either shrinks or you have some type of a gap somewhere where it allows the tread to move. And it might actually be tight on the sides. The side of the side stringer might not have shrank as much as the center stringer. And of course, it's allowing it to move. And again, you could be getting the squeak from two spots, the nail and the back of the tread as it rubs up against the riser, especially if there's a gap here. Last on the list would be stringer movement. And this would be any stair stringer that was not fastened to a wall stud and is allowed to move somehow. So I just put a little bit of movement in this one. But as you're walking up longer stairways, they can actually move. Smaller stairways like this one here, if you're using 2x14 stringers, probably not going to move as much. But any movement at all is probably where your squeak is coming from. Whatever that is, you've got to find what's moving and fix it somehow. So I am going to put a link here when the video is done, but I am going to make a video on how to fix these problems also. And of course, I'll put it right here when it is done. Hopefully it'll be done within a week or two.